Hey everybody, I've got a video that I'm going to be posting up right after this unboxing. Please stay tuned for it. In my video where I did the unboxing, I did not know that I was going to be doing an extension of this video, but because the unboxing was only about 8 to 10 minutes, I decided to do an extension and add some fun things at the end of it. So please do stay tuned. After the unboxing, there is more video following with some questions with Poshmark and a new tool that has just come out. So stay tuned. I look forward to seeing you in that part of the video, and enjoy the unboxing, y'all. We'll see you there. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Dan and I's channel, Loving Life Freely here on YouTube. We are full-time resellers doing another great fun unboxing. As I mentioned in my last video, we actually have quite a few boxes on their way. I just ordered another one that's a little bit different, so I'm hoping that that's good. I am in the process, like I said previously, doing research for new tag items, and I'm hoping this lady's one is a good one. I have ordered from this company before, and the items were really great, and she has kind of made adjustments to how she's doing the boxes so that the cog was a little bit lower this time, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm anxious to get that box in. Today we do have a ThredUp. Like I said, I have other ThredUps coming, and so we will be doing more unboxings between the end of this week and next week, on top of I might try to do what's sold, but I'm trying to figure that out if I just want to kind of do that combined with the Goodwill haul or whatever sourcing we do at the end of this week. We are going to be doing 90-day updates. Probably next month, I'm going to be doing a 90-day update on the men's new tags that we did a couple months ago. We will be doing a 90-day update on the denim and the men's. And we have another sleepwear today. I will be doing a 90-day update on the previous boxes as well. So if you want, please do subscribe so you know when those 90-day updates are up and running for you to see how these boxes are doing. In the meantime, I only got one box this time. I am selling the sleepwear. For some reason, I only got one box this time. Let's dive in. One of the reasons why I did is because the cog on these is like around $8 a piece. I am selling to at least double my money. So I might still go ahead and get some more. I don't know. But for now, we're just going to do this one. And then I will work on doing screenshots on these so that you can see what they are listing for. As you all know, they're $24. So it's roughly around like $28, $30 for the box. I think tax rounds it up. So I'll put in the note here what they are, because I may have even done the cog a little bit too high on these last boxes. It may not be 8. It may be more like around $7.50. But anyway, let's dive into this one and see what we got. I already opened the tissue. Y'all know what this looks like. And then here are the pieces. Let's dive in. Let me see here. This is a new tags. And this one is Uniqlo. I did not know they did bras. That's interesting. This is a pink, retails for $24.90. So it's just a nice bra with some lacing detail. And you can see there it's through Uniqlo, and $24.90 for retail. So with these sleepwears, I am noticing another reason why I hesitate to continue to get a lot of these boxes is because some of the retails on these is kind of low, which means the reselling on these isn't going to be that much. Some of them are higher, and you can for sure double your money, but some of them are a little bit lower, so it's a bit harder to sometimes get your money back, let alone making a little bit of profit. So I am trying to figure that out, how I want to move forward with that. Okay, here we go. Moving Comfort, a pair of panties. These are new tags, and these are a size large. That is the brand. This is the panty. Now, again, something like this, I don't know that I can get much for these. This is just a panty, so I'm probably barely going to recoup my $8 or whatever it is on those. So there's that. Okay, moving on. This is a together piece. It is kind of like, let me organize this so you can see it. This is kind of a cool piece here. And I will show you the brand here in just a second. This is Chalala Sherry Paris. And I don't see a retail price on this. This is a size small. Yep. So this is like a one-piece set. Obviously it closes in the back with the hooks on the bottom piece and the bra piece. So there is that. And then let's see. Okay, I have a short set here. Very cool. It's nice because they did give me an extra piece for the because of the underwear. So that is very cool. This is a short bottom to the top, and I'm gonna pull out. These are a size medium. Here's the shorts. Super cute. I'm hoping this has a brand on it. Good. Swomog. I've never heard of that before. And this top here obviously goes with these bottoms. So very cool. And there is a fifth piece in here. Like I said, I think they probably did that because of the underwear. I have a robe here that does have the belt, and this is Victoria's Secret. This is an extra small, and pull this out here. Let me undo this a little bit so that you can kind of get a full scope of what the front looks like. It does have a snap. This is kind of pretty. It's got kind of a ruffle bottom piece to it, bottom thing to it. I'm trying to pull this out so you can kind of see it. And it has a snap front, and it has the ruffling on the sleeves like it does on the bottom. So this is cute. I don't know what this retails for, so I will have to check comps on this. But very pretty. So there is those 4 pieces. Like I said, the box cost $24 plus the tax. So because I do have the 5 pieces, I think that will help to for sure make up the money on this. So there is that piece. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed so you know when we do a 90-day update on this box, do so. If seeing what the sleepwear in ThredUp helps you to decide if you want to get this box or not, please do give this video a thumbs up. Our subscriber base is growing. Super excited about that. I'm just trying to really get up into the hundreds. We definitely got over the 100 bump. We're well into getting into closer to the 250 mark. I have, I think, like 220, almost 221, or yeah, 121 on subscribers. So I'm excited that that is growing. I'm going to continue to just keep moving forward with YouTube. Things have been going good. Our sales are going good. It's been a great month so far, and we're just over halfway through the month, so I'm excited to see what the rest of this month does. And I'm also thinking about maybe looking into getting more jewelry, especially with the holidays coming up. I actually sold quite a few jewelry pieces for gifts last year for people, so I'm looking at adding more jewelry as well. So if you'd like me to do a jewelry unboxing or unpackaging, I'm happy to do that. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I wanted to do a quick video. This is kind of an unusual video. You know how I mentioned that we do kind of like tips and tricks on some of our videos. If you're new here, I'm Sandra. My husband Dan and I are full-time resellers on multiple platforms, places like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and a few others. And every once in a while, I do a video on tips and tricks. And this is kind of related to tips and tricks, but not. I did do a, this is kind of following a ThredUp sleepwear box unboxing. And it was only about 8 or 10 minutes roughly for that unboxing. So I wanted to add this because I've been thinking about doing this for a few days now. I watched another gal do a video on a new thing that Poshmark has put out. You know how they've been doing updates. They did an update recently where you were able to, if somebody sent you an offer and you countered because you wanted more money on an item on Poshmark, And then you decide later that, you know what, actually instead of countering and going higher, you want to accept the offer that the buyer sent out. You could actually go back in there now and accept that previous offer, and they agree to it and you sell the item. They've also come up with a new thing here recently where you can now share your entire closet all at the same time. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I checked out, I was doing that for quite some time. I think back in January or so. This is August now, so it's been, what, 8 months? I've been using an app that shares my closet for me a few times a day. I know a lot of resellers do that because we know scrolling and picking can take a lot of time, whether you're doing it once or twice or 3 or 4 times or however many times you choose to share your Poshmark closet, depending on your business plan, your business model, and how many items you have listed. Now, for some of us who have over 1,000 items listed, that even back when I was doing it, I think we had like maybe 300 or 400 items listed, 500 maybe, 600. Anyway, it was a lot less than what we have now. It was still taking me 5 minutes just to go through each time and pick every item and then even do the bulk sharing. It still takes a long time, and especially in the evening when you kind of wound your night down, you know, hanging out with your hubby or your family, your kids, or doing whatever you're doing. You have to stop everything you're doing and go through and share your closet. And it was exhausting. So I did choose an app, and it has been great. It does it for me automatically. Now, Poshmark has done a new feature where you're able to go into your closet. You can click on that share icon, and it now gives you the ability to click on all of the items in your closet and share your closet all at one time. I'm curious with all of y'all who do sell on Poshmark, and I know that there's a lot of you, do you currently choose to use that new function, or are you still using a Poshmark app that does the sharing for you? Because it does share for you, but it still doesn't send offers to likers on a regular basis. Like if you get multiple likes on items, like some of us do, especially depending on how many listings you have, I get a lot of likes throughout the day. And if I don't have an app automatically sending an offer for me, I have to stop everything that I'm doing if I want to send that offer out in a timely manner, according to what I want to do for my business. You have to stop what you're doing, send out the offer, and do all that. So it doesn't do that. It just shares your closet. It doesn't send offers to likers. It doesn't give you the ability to do other things. But I know some people don't do all that. Some people do their likes. Sometimes, depending on what's going on in my business, if I'm running a sale or something, I will turn my offers to likers off, and I do it myself depending on what I've got going on. But the majority of the time, I do have them send an offer to likers for me automatically, and I get a lot of sales with it doing that. But I know some people choose not to use apps for that. So I'm curious, I would love to hear from y'all if you are using this new tool that Poshmark sent out, allowing you to share your closet on your own using the bulk share through the app now, or are you still using a Poshmark app to accomplish that? I would love to hear feedback from y'all. I would love to know also what other places y'all sell on. I know many of you do sell on Poshmark, many of you sell on eBay, many of you sell on Mercari, some of you sell on multiple platforms. I would love to hear in the comments below where all y'all sell, and do you use some of the Poshmark tools to use on your Poshmark app? Are you currently using the new tool to share your closet all at once that they just put out a week or so ago? I would love to know your comments below. I would love to hear how y'all are doing that, what you're using, just a curiosity and for interaction with everybody. Again, we are full-time resellers on multiple platforms, and it's just always interesting to see how everybody's doing, see what's working for them, what doesn't work for them. Everybody's business plan is different. Their business model is different. Some people do this really just in their spare time, and other people literally live off of it like we do. So I would just love to hear everybody. If you have not yet liked and given this video a thumbs up, please do so. As I stated, this is following a ThredUp unboxing for sleepwear. I'm so excited. We got another box in today. I will be doing an unboxing in the next day or two, and very excited about what we have coming in. Also, I have more boxes coming in, and we will continue to have more unboxings, more tips and tricks. So again, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And we are looking so forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, we'll see you guys there.